Hello, mappers. It's the first time I said that. How do you like it, Drew? Mappers.
Is that like true formers?
Kinda, but it's mappers. I just had a conversation with Jennifer about oatmeal, and it was a really good question. So I wanted to jump on here live and share it with everybody. It's good info. So oatmeal is in some of your meal plans this week. It could have been in a meal plan last week for you or an upcoming meal plan, depending where you are at on the MAP train. So we want to make sure that we're buying rolled oats and not those little oatmeal packages, those Quaker like instant oatmeal sugar sensations. So when I say oatmeal in the meal plan, I mean rolled oats that you measure out and cook on the stove, like boil on the stove. The one that we buy is this baby right here. This is a sprouted grain, so it's gluten-free, organic, sprouted rolled oat. So sometimes oats can be hard to digest. This is usually the oats that are heavily processed, heavily sprayed. So if you're not buying an organic oats, then they are super heavily sprayed, which can cause havoc when digesting. So make sure, or a good option, a better option is to make sure you're buying organic rolled oats. There's quick oats out there as well, but they're more processed. And usually you don't find organic quick oats, it's organic rolled oats. So this is the one that we love. You can see right there, free from the glyphosate. That's the yucky spray, glyphosate. They spray the oats to dry them quicker so that they can process them faster. So the organic ones do not have that yucky spray on them. When you're cooking them, if it's half a cup of cooked oats, then it's gonna be a quarter a cup of dry oats. So if you're a newbie to making your own oatmeal, it's always half. So cooked oats is always doubled than your dry oats. And another little tidbit to help digestion, you might want to consider soaking your oats the night before. So most of you, I think, have a half a cup of cooked oats in your meal plan. So then scoop out a quarter cup of your oats the night before, pour some water over that, and then let that soak overnight, and then cook them up in the morning. This is gonna help ease digestion as well. And one more tidbit, don't power eat your oats. Like, how do I say that, Drew? Like, don't, well, yeah, like you want to use mindful eating. Make sure that you're not eating too quickly, that you're chewing it properly, because with starchy foods like rolled oats, for example, if you eat them too quickly, it's going to feel heavy on the stomach. And if we don't chew them well enough, then that's more processing for our digestion system. So I think that's it. Did I miss anything, Drew, about oats and oatmeal? All right. If you have any questions, drop those in the comments below and we'll be happy to answer them. Happy oating. Bye, guys.